bersyukur nak Shlem jong nongsan Hima.
Kembali pergi perlok mengai Gabriel Timolong. Sesi swing ni pilihan supaya pergi syakani ke program kejongi kepala alam sepi do nongsan Hima. Perlok mau pergi mentang gitu hanya apa Saint Claret High Secondary School kemudian apa kedai nomen song hak bangi wan banyak kendo ye way music teacher iba kerteng ikong ridalin perbot ibadai music teacher jokani ke school Saint Claret High Secondary School but kumjur ngiwan banyak kendo ya Father Augustine hari ibadai co curricular activities jongkani ke school. Bakin supply pajba ya kan ke Jingrwai thamai ke kerteng the Highlands ketika music video ke supply hak artrik jong benai Julai arja upon rio pada ketizen supply hak arpuitrik jong nu benai June arja upon rio hak channel YouTube channel jong school Saint Claret Higher Secondary School tak baka jong hi dak por kalau dapat slam bakam dak tu ya por kumni hingin yo nak jengran ke jongi badi kong ridalin perbot ibadai music teacher jong school Saint Claret Higher Secondary School kublish pun. Semua Miss Ridalin perbot por pang joki mo tikindiat kipat bagi joki ki kwa metep ke ka perlong ya pi kum kata music teacher ma kan school Saint Claret ba pin Rwai ya ki khana chon ka school kawayo chon ka school da ka Jingrwai ka blai kerteng Highlands laban patai
gila don gajing perkhana don kong bangin celebrate dengan ka world music demo ti kata ka banlong hau arpoi trik June tinggal persyang men compose kata ka Jingrwai bang Rwai ki dah hadin per gadin bang ya lam ki satisha ka program jeng untuk ka World Press Freedom Day celebration ti ha tu si be ba pol ru release ka tu lyrics mo ba translate ka English version ti ngap perkhat ke ngong ish kan lu jing tenat la ki khana jung ki yo ban Rwai ka ni Jingrwai mo ti kum tahi ngayo ban kenjok Ktien no kan nak kenjok Ktien ya i mo iba composer kan te i ru kum tahi ai da ka kelut men sim ba ki khana jung kin perform ka Jingrwai ti kum ta kan ma ka de wi ka Jingrwai ka bala pa mo ka bas ngo tenat ka basong khia ka song kun ki Ktien ti kum iba pol ila de i ni ki musician mo batriem
ka bakar tang ita Jingrwai kata Jingrwai kasih bapi orang pula translate cakap
rilum
kali
rilum
coba apa
ti ya kan ni mentapat ngi Rwai no ngapen Rwai bagi ki khana mo kan dengan Highlands ka baila translate Hima ya kan ni ka Jingrwai
ti kamut ka kani ka music video
yes kan ka music video ha
tilanon pelat ba dia ka full video
ya ka teaser ngin pelat ha ka arpoi tarik jong ujun kata ka world music demo ti nama ba hadin juga kata ngin dance ka talent week tinggi kwa bangin release ya kan ye ka video hadin bekil adap ka exam jongki bikin dan atar ka talent week jongki kadika anu talent week kadika closing ceremony kata ka de ha 2 July ti ha tingin sa release ya kan ka music video ha ka 3 July
ya kan ni ka music video mano bala penbiang long ya ka video datang sedong
ni ya ngali mga ringkat bakat tu kan ni hinung hikay mo ki bala yarap lang yang abang gidan haka choir group mo
am lagi ba shoot ya ka video
ki ba shoot ka video ide i ba batay
batay
na mat siya mo
Tiga Jingrwai pa via recording.
Bangi record ha lumoba.
Mo ba? Studio kita.
SNS Imli Music Studio.
Pi kamut piang ni pide bitang music teacher.
Ngashim subject rigi kena ngashim computer iki ti kumta ngapet ka Jingrwai iki.
Tila kumbaka nusne mi epila dan hak di school.
Bangaladon hang ni school along kumbak khat yo khat prasnam kan ri kan yom tahi. Ti nadu kita gisnam hi ngasdang ban ka Jingrwai ki kena nama bang ajus ngutanat ban Rwai mo. Ngajus ngutanat ban Rwai la de ti ngastanat bang ani isi ki kena orgi dan ka talent bikin Rwai ti ngapen kiu mo iki.
Kumno pi hikai ki kena banyada ban bat pen bhai ka surwai pat ka joki.
Kata ngaju hikai barabo reki mo ba ban hikai Jingrwai kamri ka basuk mo khamtam ki kena ki badang re kidang learn thamai mo kumno bikin Rwai. Ki kena re ti filati pinong pha Rwai te Rwai bet na dum siam ne. Hala bet kam don chu to ban kin la de ban control ka voice ki. Itna de ki bikilom to mo ta ban de kila kham he te they need to know how to control mo gidan kam bakin control ka voice ki kumno bikin ring sur mo kumno bikin kerja haki Jingrwai khasi kum kita ti ngashi hikai ki bun ki eba kidan kamba hakapo biki Rwai ru kim ban pressure than ya rundang no kim ban pressure than kidan kam ke ba yu ka energy ke ban one kan ni mo kan support ti kal air ti gini ki breathing exercise ki turu ki warm up mo swab min ya yu haka kwaya itu ti ngashi hikai ki breathing exercise ki bayar bahayangi bingin Rwai namar ba habangi ya ibangi sustain ki Jingrwai gidan kam kal air mo te habangi dan le air te kadukut mo asiteng ka Jingrwai ti ngashi hikai bahai ki gitu man kapuang ngashi phale be ki apo bi practice ing tu
Pila ju alam Rwai ni em ki kena sa district level ni block level ni sya kino ki jaka.
Ki program ti kila bon bah bengialam ki mo ngalayalam ki show all India radio ru kila li Rwai mo to ka children's program jongki ngalayalam ki shaturu na tare ke dance ki choir competition kum tu ngalayalam ki kum tu ni ki job mo kina ki Rwai bah ti kini ki carol singing kum tu ru ngayalam hapain word ru kila li Rwai mo katar gadi ha kajongka carol singing hi ka turu ki li Rwai hapain word RCN kila len she sempre kili ai ka prayer song no ante nang tadi ngipin mi ki macam senam mo kato ba kili Rwai kili ka block level kan kili ka folk song mo kato ti kili ban Rwai ro ki Jingrwai long self compose mo compose hi ki Jingrwai ti ki job ka block level ti ki shaji na to bikin ka district andar apo ya ka district pada ka district level pada kila filas mutu district level kila ikan do beki kena college level ki habya kon kini mo peli nang erit mo syong no ti ladon hi jing tiang ni tep shu ki kena jungi kumno kin Rwai bhana kumno ma tamba the moment beki yang has stage am ngashu I beki anda kila Rwai am ngam I don jing pair beki taki college level kan aso hani kan kasap ka jongki ka ba kerpang kan ki tri man Rwai ma ki kena
Tiki par ki instruments ki ba pinang mentem bat
Ka
picu
gitar.
shna Jingrwai ni.
Ngashi china ki Jingrwai. Ki Jingrwai ngashi compose hi mo. Yala dir ngashi Rwai te ngashi penbi hi ki Jingrwai kum tu.
Instruments ba pitam ba kadeke
Kiri gitar ha.
Gitar.
Dang man hakan ni rungi dang da release ko ki Jingrwai mo kata ka de ha account jo we de ki pass out student jongi. Te ngeshat ai men sim bhai ki khna wala ki la mi na ni na school ru ngarang keep in touch with ki kan ngidang ya ko ngidang ya ing tu kan te kawan ni ka Jingrwai bang ngidang da permission ru along kum bang ai men sim i de nama ba i triem ban Rwai nga compose ka Jingrwai te nga along ba ai i bre ban i penbi hak account jong i kan penbi account thang ma mo
Kamu ki Jingrwai ba pishna kade bitang khasi na kade
national lang English ru dang men hakini ru bakidan kan ka sports week ma ki khna tingi national ko ki Jingrwai ka theme song jong ki chasing dreams on the field te fila ban check mo ka Jingrwai jong ki hapo ka channel jong school te ni release ka tu te menta bre ngi plan sa bangin release ka ni ka Jingrwai nam ta bangin celebrate ka ni ka World Music Day.
Tiki eki Jingrwai par ki ba pishna ma phi ki ba phila penbi pat ba. Bala plan YouTube ye.
Kila abun ha kau ka ba kham you te ka baning kong do ka first music video bang penbi bang ade Jingrwai mo.
Okay.
Jingrwai. Ha ka channel jo ngahi te ade na tu nganang penbi shushu kam tu ka wei ka parom ki Jingrwai kata bala compose ka lyrics compose i ba George shooting. Te ya ka music bre ngale hi kan. Te kata ru ye dan bentalang kat tu kat ni kinu hi kai jo ni school. Ya Rwai ngi penbi lang.
Kata kade ke Rwai group na Rwai solo.
Kadon ka solo ka group mo. Ye don lang kum tu ni.
Ka YouTube channel jo phi ba kum no kerteng.
Ka kerteng jo ngahi ridalin
berbuat. Okay.
Di kumta hadian di penmi sa to ko Jingrwai pada mentadang shen gidang da penmi. Kadon ka wei ko Jingrwai ro ka Forge of Love mo ka ba i compose ni wei ni ki Father Jongi. Father Joseph. Di ka music pada lehi. Di dia ada penmi kataru kadang ko channel jo ngahi. Kataru ada penmi te menta pada ngirang pendition ni kan ni jong rilum da baga katar kalong haga jong iwe ni ki pass out student jong ni.
Hai. Tena ipat pi pendap ya ka music.
Ya ka music ngale ha creative arts jong ni huma. Ketika folk music ngale ya folk music.
Folk music mah.
Takadaw nga sungut tenat bah kham tam lay bangan compose gini ki Jingrwai. Khasi tenrai mo ki folk music. Jadi traditional khasi.
Te kadon ni empat ka jing modify mo ya kan ni ka Jingrwai rilom ha ka English version.
Jing modify.
Ban modify ngim dah kuat tan pi ban modify. Te long kum ta ngi kuat begin exactly ka bai i ba pol ila compose. Ni shupen pair kan diat ki haming hang dia hang tai ka jing pair ka dai tang ka wei ka ba ka barim kim le mo de ki khasi instruments. Tinggi bring use ki khasi instrument ka bom ka sing ka dutara kum ta ka. Hakani ka highlands ngi le kum ta. Ki Rwai de ka English sambai ka gijing tembre ngi use ki khasi traditional instruments.
Ti kum nupat pishim ya ka thong ban pen bit pen biang ya ka Rwai na ka benta ki khana badan sap.
Nganang ya itre shitom ngan ya rabi ki khana nama ki buon ki khana ki ba don talent shisha bakin Rwai mo. Ti ki don kasap te le si ngai la di bang apo isin chatai te ngai lam lang iki tan lang iki le lang om tu ki smutanat mo ki khana. Ta ngan pun kiu hi na di sakwat nganang ya don hang dia.
Ti pidon em ka music school la jong.
Nya ti ngasui ka Jingrwai be hapo school kum dia.
Ti pijurai choir em pat ele di.
Ho ngadon haga choir hadu mentam mendir ngadang don mo ngampat lip nadu bangadang samla mo ngadon hakpo ka choir jong ka choral evangelist choir ka bana maulai. Ti kata ka choir la sing de Father Barnes mauri.
Pu piru pisong pisa maulai.
Ho maulai. Maulai mauyong.
Ti lanu pat an palai pai bai akan di ka teaser bat ya kan di ka music video bat haka channel you an palai. Sa sin pila ban patai biang kata.
Ya kan ni ka music video jungi Highlands ngin release ya ka teaser ha ka World Music Day kata ha ka apoi terik mo. Ingin release tang ya ka teaser tu ka sengi.
Haka channel?
Ka channel jong ka school.
Channel to school.
Jong ka school. Tiendre ka full video berengin pelat ha ka art terik Julai kata ka last day jong ka talent week. Kan ka closing ceremony and then ni release dan ya kan ka Jingrwai Highlands.
Kemudian kan music video ron pelaj haka channel jong school di.
Jong ka school be.
Kemudian men pelaj pai ba dengan Jingrwai.
In sawan hi ba pol mo ila ong ila. Ila kular mo be in one thing nget be in one mo. Nama iru yong hi wa ka Jingrwai la jong te beli nganum wan kan wan. Ikamen gen iru mo.
Pila ban Rwai mo silan erlanya ka Jingrwai ka ba mo pila asna.
Ngan Rwai ini kindia di Jingrwai bang idang sudah release mo nang nation damen simbas ngurni perta kori bait nadu ulong shua hapangi ut nginam lajing em ngin om salya bandra kanam serta
Sultanat sisa kerendang ro ke bas sultanat.
Kibleshi buat
Ki kintir pito ai.
to iya
Sultanat ba tu ka pai bertu ka mi dak sur jopi kan.
Kibleshi
Kubli sibon mo. Ka por ba kerpan pi ba kaliang ka jongi no san himar ngi kit bucket riang namata kan ka music video blai kerteng ka Highlands mo. Highlands ka mas play pai ba ka arterik jo banai Julai. But ya ka teaser ha ka arpoi terik cuma tahu banai. Ti ngi scam ba kan long ka Julai bas tunan ban ya jauh banget ba kinbun ki basngap ki bapet ya kan ka Jingrwai teng ba ka YouTube channel joka Skul joki kata Skul bishbon
ni firu
perlok menta nginyo pat sa kajing kren but I Father Augustine Hari ibade I co-curricular activities joka Skul Saint Claret Higher Secondary School kepada ni apa kedat nomen song. Thank you so much Father for your time and we welcome you to our program Nong San Hima. Father, can you tell us how do you feel about this choir where children are quick to progress in singing?
Regarding this, about the progress of the students, especially in our school, we call it Claretines. Those who are in the school, they are called Claretines. And I feel so proud of these students who are so quick to pick up the singing skills. And it is very nice to see them progressing. And we do encourage them to continue to do that, and therefore we have the systems developed in the school. We have we call a club, singing club. We have a teacher in charge who is guiding them, and apart from the teacher in charge who is also qualified in singing, we have our alumni who come and assist her. So it is a proud moment that students are picking up these skills in the school.
So what support does the school provide to the choir?
Regarding this, we have various facilities provided to the students that are required actually. Like we have guitars provided to the students, we have club box, we have keyboard, we have dvitara and the khasi instruments, drums, then we have violin, and whatever required, we according to the needs we hire them. Whatever is not there in the school, we hire them from various places, and the available that are if anything is available with the students, we ask the students to bring along with them, and thus we support them. And also for outgoing, for shooting and all, they need various shooting locations. We have school bus facilities, so we do provide them bus facilities and make them to reach and bring them back. Those are the facilities we provide to the students for the growth in the singing.
So in which year was this choir formed in the school?
Regarding this, I would trace back since our school started. Our school started in 2005, and from that time onwards we had a choir, but we did not name it, we did not give a proper name. It was a school choir, known as a school choir for a long time. But last year, before celebrating our annual day, 20th of anniversary, we named it as a Symphonic Claretine choir. Symphonic Claretine
choir. Okay. So what is your vision for the school choir in the coming years? Singing
is now has become a profession for so many people. So many are opting for singing. It is giving them a various opportunities to be in the state, to be outside the state. It is a platform to express their skills and talents. And therefore, we have a great vision for our students, because many of our students are so skilled in singing. They are so much interested in singing, and therefore we look forward to their growth. We want to see that many of them opt this option of singing in the future as their profession. And that is our vision for the future of our symphonic choir members.
Thank you so much, Father, once again for your time.
Yeah, so we also would like to thank you from the school management team, because you spared your time to come over here to the school and take this interview. So thank you so much.
Okay, thank you for that.
Okay.
Diperlok katung ila poi bakut yakani kajinga keren kajongi bat ikong ridalin berbot bakum juru badi Father Agustin Hari tekatu pila yo snow ya kajimbatai kajongi habai de baka kawaya hakani ka school sin Claret High Secondary School kabananya po kadaj namat song habai de bakata ka Jingrwai kablai kateng the Highlands ka supply paiba au blai banwan haka arterik bari ka tizen supply hak ka arpoi terik chamata ubrai te kublishibun kublish hajarmo isia kondo biang pihak wai pat kapor hakani kaju ka channel jongi nongsan yima kublishibun